have a B7 here that we did a full body clear bra on. It has about 20,000 miles, but they want to preserve the paint even though it does have a few rock chips. So that's why we did a full body clear bra. So this is just kind of our final stage, our QC, our quality check before it hits the road. If you can see here, this is what would need to be QC'd is. We try to get all the way to the edge here, and obviously it's not sticking to the edge right there, so we'll come in and kind of score that and kind of just take that off. Stuff like that. Obviously right here, we wrap all the way to the edge, but that's popped up there a little bit. So we'll actually come in there and heat it up, kind of push it down. Obviously, see something like that's gone. We spent about 2 to 3 hours QCing the whole car, make sure everything is perfect as best we can, and then we send it on the way.
So this mirror was peeling a little bit. We did it yesterday. It was lifting a little too much, so we decided to redo it. A little tricky because of the contour right here, but this one should turn out nice.